Hello, my name is Dr. Andrew Tickle and I'm the course director for the MSc in Electrical Engineering and Electronics. First of all, I'd like to welcome you to Coventry University, and I hope that your time here will be an enjoyable one, that you'll find the course useful, and that you'll leave in a year's time with your MSc hopefully a more well-rounded individual with a better skill set. So, what do we actually do on this MSc? Well, we pride ourselves on trying to give you a more practical-based experience on this course. So as a result of that, we've got hopefully a good combination of modules which you'll find interesting, fascinating, and enjoyable at the same time. If you're a September starter, what you'll do is you'll go on to do things like MO1 AEE, which is VHDL, so you'll learn how to program a field programmable gate array. You'll learn about sensors and sensor systems, which is MO5 AEE. So you'll learn about different sensors, the sensitivity of sensors, how to connect them, amplify them, etc. And then you'll also have MO2 AE, which is all about power generation and power generation methodologies. So you'll learn about that. Each of those is a coursework-based module, so you'll end up having 2 courseworks based over the term, so it'll keep you on your toes. Your January start, this is where you'll start your MSc experience. For those of you who start in September, you'll simply progress through. In the second term, what you'll do is you'll learn about drive systems, you'll learn about motor systems, and that will be covered in MO3 AEE. You'll learn about robotics, kinematics, dynamics, and applications in MO4 AEE, and you'll also be in with the other MSc program in embedded microelectronics and wireless systems for the MO3 CDE module, which talks about digital signal processing and the techniques like that. The methodologies for this term will be mainly coursework-based assessment. You'll have 1 examination. MO3 AEE, you'll be focusing on 2 courseworks for your power systems. For MO3 CDE, you'll have an examination and a coursework where you'll be designing and implementing something on one of the DSP boards in the laboratory. And for MO4 AE, you'll have a coursework based on a robotic application and an examination. Then comes a really exciting bit. What you do then is you do your project. So depending on when you start, you would have a different course handing date. So if you start in September, your course handing date would be in September. If it was in January, it would be in January, obviously. It's not always that easy to explain when you've got 2 cohorts mixed together. So what you would do is during your first term, you would actually pick your project, you would speak to potential project supervisors like myself. There's a list of projects on Dr. Ryder's website. The module code is MO8AEE. And you would go on there, you would meet potential project supervisors and then hopefully get allocated a project. You would submit a project brief, which would become part of your assessment strategy, and then you would go away, you would do your literature review during the term time, and then as soon as the term finishes, so as soon as the summer comes after the examinations in May, you'd then go straight into the lab and you'd stay in there working on that until near the end of August. You'd then write your dissertation and you would have a PowerPoint presentation-based assessment where you would have your supervisor and a second assessor in there as well. And it's like a viva, as it's called. And you would have one of those, and then you would get the decision, and you would then find out whether you've got your MSc or not. If you do fail anything, not that you will, because you're all intelligent people, but if you do, there are reset opportunities in the reset examination period in August. Okay. The last thing I would like to say is that you do get other option modules, and the option modules for this module are based from other modules in other departments. So there's project management, there's some computing modules, and various other things. So you get to pick 2 option modules to fill out the rest of your curriculum. Like I say, you will be mixed in with the other students from the other MSc program, which is led by Dr. Ryder. He's a very approachable gentleman, so if you do feel that you want that other MSc is more for you than this one, I don't want to say goodbye to you, but if it is, it's your MSc, so it's what's best for you. So if you feel the other MSc is better for you, you can speak to Dr. Ryder. Like I say, I'd like to finish by saying I hope you enjoy your time here, and if you have any trouble whatsoever, feel free to give me an email, give me a call. I'll undoubtedly see you in the teaching modules because I teach MO7 CDE and MO4 AEE. So I will see you in those modules in the second term. So thank you very much and have a splendid time here at Coventry. Thank you.